Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to learn about the best indicators from MT4, the ones you can use for intraday trading. So these indicators are free and you can also download them from the link in the description. So there's got 10 indicators. The first one being the QQE alert, simply notifies you when you should buy or sell. Okay, there's the ADR levels, there's a BB and stop alert. There's the current strength, the MACD color alert, a MACD crossover signal. Okay, the PEEP counter, support and resistance on the 4-hour, the support and resistance, and the trader zone. So now let's find out how you can actually make use of these indicators into your trading. So how do these work? So most of these indicators are non-repenting, okay, and they are good for intraday, and they provide simple buy and sell signals, okay. So intraday trading will work well with this setup. So this strategy actually makes use of the trading zone, which is the trader zone with MACD color, the QQE indicator, the BB and signals, and the support and resistance. So this strategy is a flexible trend following Forex trading strategy that works with a variety of period charts and can be used to trade a variety of Forex trading pairs. So let me just enter into full screen so that we can get to see clearly what I'm trying to talk about. So these indicators were actually created to make trading easier and more straightforward. So because of the sophisticated trading technology, it is even more creative and quick and yet simple to use. So these programs will compute the market for you, so you won't need to. So these will provide trading indications that you can use as ease of further filter out. Okay. So I think it would be best if you can practice with this strategy on an demo MT4 account. So you can sign up for a demo MT4 account with my recommended broker. So the link will be in the description. So enough with the tokens. Let us talk about when to enter trades, when to buy, and when to sell. So the first condition is that usually there will be a notification, a pop-up telling you to either buy or sell. So simply wait for that notification. Okay. The other thing is simply look for the arrows. Okay, so the arrows I'm talking about are these green arrows. So these are the arrows you wait for if you'd like to buy. So if I hover on these arrows, you can see it's telling me that okay, these are BB and stop. Okay, and the other condition before you buy is this blue line in the QQE has to be above the 50. Okay, so for example, here is a perfect time to buy. Perfect time to buy. Okay, perfect time to buy because the line is above the 50. And the last condition is that the MACD has crossed the upward zero. So where is the MACD? So here is the MACD, and as you can see, here is the perfect entry because it's crossed. Here is the perfect entry because that's crossed. Perfect entry. Okay, so it's simple. Then now, when it comes to selling, it's actually the opposite. When it comes to selling, simply there'll be an arrow on the chart, even a notification. So look for an arrow pointing down, and the QQE is here, should be below the 50. Okay, and finally the MACD has a closed downward zero. So that's here, downward zero. That's when you see. So this is a simple free strategy. So try it out and see how it works for you. If you learned something from this video, give it a like. For more videos like this, go on and subscribe. Bye for now.